Today, we're diving into the features of the SUNVIE 12W low-voltage landscape lights, a perfect solution for illuminating your garden, yard, or driveway with its ultra-bright 1200 lumens and warm 3000K white light. This 12-pack of LED outdoor ground lights comes with 24 wire connectors, making it ideal for various applications like lighting up walls, trees, fences, and more. The upgraded grated top design not only minimizes glare but also prevents debris, mulch, and leaves from entering, ensuring a clean and efficient lighting solution that's almost flat, allowing for easy mowing. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights are built to withstand rain and snow, boasting a robust metal top and inner housing for a service life of up to 50,000 hours. Installation is a breeze with a 12 to 24 volts input voltage, compatible with most low-voltage landscape lighting transformers, and includes 24 SUNVIE screw-tight wire connectors for added safety and ease. Plus, you can buy with confidence thanks to the lifetime warranty, which includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 24-month replacement warranty, and lifetime after-sales support. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with the reliability and brilliance of SUNVIE landscape lights, and enjoy a beautifully lit environment all year round.